Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw things. So today I want to show you how to draw one of the new Pokemon. This one is super cute and his name is Fidough. So Fidough is a little dog type Pokemon and just such a little cutie. I had to draw him today. So if you have not yet subscribed, please feel free to do so because I would love to have you come back here every day for our new daily doodles. All right, so let's get started drawing Fidough. I'm going to start with his little nose. It's just going to be just a little shape like this. And from there, let's work on the mouth. So we're going to come on up a little bit and then come on out and then curve down here and make a little shape like that. And then here under the nose, we can just make a little open mouth, kind of like a smaller version, a smaller and upside down version of that nose, really. Okay, so next I'm going to give a little bit of space and I'm going to work on an ear. So we're going to do a circle. Like that. And now the inside of this is going to be a little bit of a funny shape. So like this, and now another little curve. And we're going to do almost like a little flower kind of shape around this silly little weird one we made in the middle. So see how it's kind of like, I don't know, it kind of reminded me of a flower, but just kind of up and down like that. And next, let's do the shape of the face. So let's come on up. And before we come any further right here, let's do a little eyebrow. So just a little bump like that. And then we can come on up a bit further and connect it to that ear. And let's do another little eyebrow here too, right next to that other one we did. And now let's do the eyes. And I'm going to put a circle there up top. And under this one, we can do another little eye. And right there, we can do a little U shape. And then let's finish off this face shape. The bottom of the face right there. And let's do the other ear here on the side. Just a big curve. Like that. And we can see a little bit of that kind of what I said reminded me of a flower. So we can kind of do that there on the side. And now let's do almost like a big collar. Like that. And we can do those same bumpy, flowery shape. Like that. And we can have a little front paw here. And another one. And now we can do a little bit of a back here. And we're going to curve up right here and do a back foot. And I'm going to put a curve right here. And we're going to have some of that yellow flowery design there, as well as right here. And then let's do a circle. And we're going to put a little U shape here and another one. All right, so we're finished our sketch and I'm gonna get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw tomorrow. All right, everyone, goodbye.